This video tutorial I will explain what is service discovery in microservices. Imagine you are at a shopping mall with a lot of different stores, but you are not sure where the specific store you are looking for is located. So what you will do is you will visit the information desk, and the person in the information desk will tell you where the specific store is located. In a way, information desk is like a service discovery system. In the world of technology, service discovery is like having an automated information desk for computer programs. When different programs like apps or websites need to talk to each other to get some work done, they often need to find each other on the network. Service discovery helps them do that easily. Just like the information desk knows where each store is located in the mall, the service discovery keeps track of where each program or service is on the network. When one program needs to talk to another program or another service, it asks the service discovery system, hey, where can I find this service? And the service discovery system gives the exact location. This way, the programs can work together smoothly without getting lost in the vast network. Here you can see account service, order service, shipping service, and billing service. All these services will register their location or URL to the service registry component. If the client want to send request to the order service, then client will send request to the load balancer. The load balancer will check what is the URL of order service in service registry and get that URL. Then load balancer will send the request to the order service using the particular order service URL. In this example, the combination of load balancer and service registry act as a service discovery system. In a nutshell, service discovery is like the GPS of the tech world, making sure different programs can find each other and work together effectively, just like you are finding the right store in the big shopping mall. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.